Hi, hello everyone. My name is Puru and I welcome you all to my channel Learn with Puru. In this video, we will be discussing how to make a thumbnail for our YouTube video. So, I will make the thumbnail and the template for this thumbnail will be available in my website. Link given below in the description. You may visit out my website and there all the details will be also available as well as the template. So in this video we will make this thumbnail that we are watching right now. So it's very easy and we can make it in 10 minutes. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Before that, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a like to this video. Let's start. So guys, first you have to open the MS PowerPoint. So if you don't have a laptop, you can open it in the mobile. If you don't know how to install and use, you may visit my channel, and here I have uploaded a video on how to install and use MS PowerPoint on mobile. You can watch. I will also leave the description. I will also leave the link of the video in the description. So first we have to create a new slide. So I will click on the new slide and a blank slide. Then I have to keep a theme in the design section. I have to choose this one. Then you can choose the color of it according to what you need. Here are different colors. You may choose it. Which one do you want? Okay, so here I will choose a nice theme. You must choose the color according to you. Then I go to the insert tab and in the shape section I will block arrows. I will insert the right arrow, okay, and adjust its size. Okay, after I adjust its size, now again I will just add this, yeah. So now you have to again go to the insert tab and in the text box you have to click the text box and write your channel name. My channel name is Learn with Puru. So I'll keep it and then I will keep it over here. Okay. So as I have kept it over here, now we have to keep the font as Rebushed MS heading. Okay. Then you have to increase its size till you get it perfect. And then you have to select the full text and then bold, slanted and underline and shadow. Okay, you may change the color if you want and just increase its size. That's look good. Okay, so now you have to add the title of the video that you are making. So as I'm going to make the thumbnail for this video, I'll write it how to make a thumbnail for YouTube video. So don't put a full stop over here, it will not look neat. So after you have to change the font to calibri. Yeah, you can see. Then we have to bold and shadow and slant. Don't underline it. Okay, here you can see it's ready. Just adjust the size. Okay, I will increase its size. Yeah. Now you have to add the logo of your channel. So you have to. So here you can see I got my logo. Okay, so click on insert. Then it's very big. I have to adjust its size. Okay. You can keep this size to 5-6 centimeter. It will be perfect. Okay. Here you can see height and width 6 centimeter. Okay. Then rotate it a little. Okay. If you want, you can increase its size. Okay. Now I have done it. Now I have to add some pictures over here related to the video. For example, if you go to my YouTube channel, it's two videos. It's about PowerPoint. So there is a picture of PowerPoint over here and it's about cyclone. So here is about cyclone picture. So I have to put something like it. You have to remember that don't use any pictures from other resources. Try to make it by your own. So I will make it by my own. So first I click text box and write thumbnail over here. Thumbnail. And then increase its size. First put it there. You can see and place it in a correct. Place it in the left hand side of the slide. Okay. So here you can see it's ready. Now I have to just give it a border and a background. I will just insert a shape over here and put it over to First I will change the theme style of it and then send to back. Where is it? Yeah. Now I could just adjust a little size. You can keep the picture according to your need. Okay, it's not compulsory to keep this value. So if my video title is about cyclone, so I will keep the cyclone picture. Okay, so please keep the picture neat and attractive so it will be good for the viewer. Then I will give a background, so shape format and shape fill, texture. Then here are different. Yeah, I like it. So thumbnail. Now you have to put the one side to the end, another side to the end of it. Then above. And then go to the home and click on in the middle, so it will in the middle of the shape. Okay. Now every channel have their own tagline. For example, I have hi, hello everyone. My name is Puru and I welcome you all to my channel Puru. So I will simply copy it and paste it in the slide. Now you can see I have copied it. Insert text box, so it's not visible because it's in white color, so change its color to black. So I will just adjust delete the full stop as I said that it will not look better in this slide. And then I will write in this video we will be discussing how to make an thumbnail for YouTube video on YouTube video. So here you can see, just put the lines on the end, but don't put it on the colors. Okay. Now just select the middle one. Yeah. Now you can see it looks very clear. And text font to calibri, bolded, underline. No, don't underline. Just slanting and shadow. If you want, you can increase its size, but let's go out of the line. So I will just decrease it and arrange the size of everything. I have done it. So now here you can see how many minutes we see that in only 8 minutes we have created our full thumbnail. If you are doing it for the first time, it will take more time, but I can guarantee you you can make it in 15 minutes. Yeah, done. Okay, everything is here. So now you have to make the slide, but how will you get the thumbnail? So you can slide show and you have to take the screenshot of this picture. If you are in laptop, you can take the screenshot
and if you are in mobile, you can also take the screenshot and save it in some locations. Okay, after you save it, and while uploading the video, you can add the thumbnail. Okay, so it's very easy and it was very interesting to make a thumbnail.
This was all about how to make a thumbnail for the YouTube video. We had made the thumbnail in between 10 minutes, but I think that you can make it in 5 minutes. So, thank you for patiently watching to my video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a like to this video. Share this video to your friends so that they may also learn how to make the thumbnail. Wish you all have a nice day. Bye.